Today I will show you step by step how to set the time on a VW Tiguan 2009 dashboard. You will need the buttons on the wiper stalk, up, down, and OK. Let's begin. First, turn on the ignition and wait until the MFI display appears. Once the MFI is visible, press and hold the down button for about 2 seconds to enter the main menu. In the menu, select Setup and press OK. Then go down to Time and press OK. Now you are in the time settings. Select Hours, press OK, and you will see it highlighted. Use the up and down buttons to set the correct hour, then press OK. Next, select Minutes, press OK, and adjust them using the up and down buttons. Once done, press OK again. Then press back and return to MFI. That's it, the time is now set, and your clock will be accurate again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more real workshop tips.